Are you happy with your current life? Are you satisfied with the things in your life? Either it is health, finances, relationship, etc. If you are satisfied with all the things which having in your life, then congratulations to you. And if not, then you need to work upon that. You need to improve those things so that you can get the things according to your expectations. Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the topic old ways don't open new doors. For getting new things or for getting different results or getting new results in our life, we need to continuously improve upon the things which we are doing continuously. It's not like that the same way you follow which you used to do follow earlier in the past, and the way you will continue today also and in future also. If you do like that, you won't get the result according to your expectation. In order to grow continuously, you need to improve continuously in a particular field, in a particular area, because things are continuously changing, and according to the changing environment you need to also improve upon the things by learning the new things. For example, once a time Nokia phones so popular in the market. Everybody knows in the Nokia phones, where before the Android came in the market. So when Android arrived in the market with the devices which were coming up with the Android phones, they started just entering in the market. And initially Nokia didn't tie up with the Android, and the later all of us know the result. Nokia started losing its market, and the devices which came up with the Android just start capturing the market. So it's very important that you need to improve the things in order to improve in order to improve your things around you. There are two questions one should ask to oneself: what I want in my life, second, and what I am going to do to get what I want in my life, first. Many people just even don't know for so many years that what they actually want in their life. They don't have any clear cut, crystal clear idea. They're stuck in their life from past so many years. They have wasted so many years, and still they are not having any clear cut idea that what they want in their life. This is the problem of the many people. They want to do something in life, but they are not knowing, they are not aware about what they actually want. They are a part of the others plans. They are continuously working on the others plan. They are continuing working with the clients, customers. They are doing so hard work, but they have made very little progress in their own life. So if you want to grow, if you want to bring the result according to your requirement, according to your expectation, and just write down the ideas, whatever ideas just start running in your mind, just write down all the ideas on the paper, and write down each and minute details as much possible as to you, and start taking imperfect action. Don't wait for the perfect action, because this is the limiting belief which inhibit us to take the actions. We try to continuously think that we will take the perfect action, but there is nothing like that a perfect. You need to take the imperfect action. The important thing is that you should get a start. Once you start, it will help you to bring more clarity in your life. Second, how you are going to do the things so that you can get what I want in my life. The phrase also tells us that if you want something new in your life, then you need to improve new things in your life also. Because without getting the new things, without learning the new things, you can't expect the new results or different results in your life. As Einstein said, insanity in doing the same thing over and over again. without and expecting different results. It's simple that if you are doing the same thing again and again, you will get the same result. You can't expect the different results by working the same way. If you want to change the result, if you want to bring the new result, then you need to improve the things. You need to uh, do the things in a different way, in a new way. And when your vision is clear, what you want to do in your life, then it pulls you. You don't need to push yourself. You will do what requires. So it's extremely essential to improve yourself according to your expectation, what the result you want in your life. If you want new result or different result, you have to work upon you. You need to learn those things. Thank you, friends. I hope you have learned something from it. If you like the video, please comment here and share it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.